Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can exactly to get verification code from Google Authenticator app. So guys, open your Gmail device and tap your profile icon and the top right corner, select manage your Google account and click to security and scroll down. You find Authenticator tab and click continue and then set up your Authenticator and scan the QR code and display your screen with Google Authenticator app. After that, guys, click 6-digit code and you will see Authenticator app into your provided file on Gmail, and go back the Authenticator app and then click get started and enter your email. After that, click continue and privacy screen and copy code and disable an Authenticator app and pass the code, and after that provide it on Gmail and click verify. You will see confirmation that Authenticator app has been up. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon. Keep watching.